Be starting with the VIX. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Retire by Investing. This is RC with another comprehensive market review. And today we'll be starting with the VIX, which is below the 10 SMA at this point, below majority of moving averages. And so a swing environment is still in place right now. However, I'll go over into more details about what to watch out for. But for now, just know that it is safe to take some positions as you won't get as whipsawed. As for the SPY right now, a lot of this is driven by the NASDAQ. The QQQE is extended, and also the QQQ is extended, and this is what's causing this to happen right now. But because we're at all-time highs, there's really nothing to do. However, I would advise having a pullback to the SMA before starting positions, just because if this were to pull back and pull back harder, the majority of the positions that you start from here would be underwater. RSP, right now we are building. There's a lot of rotation happening here, which is a really good picture. If tech starts to slow down, RSP starts to catch up right here, you'll have a lot of these other stocks that will eventually start breaking out. And once the RSP actually starts breaking out to all-time highs, I have to say that we're going to have a really, really nice rally, and the market will probably continue. If it does go sideways from here, that's until like June or July. That sets up the move for a very, very big move. But unless we start breaking structure, there's really nothing else to be doing. Just know that there's going to be a lot of rotation. When it comes to the Qs, you can, obviously this is super extended, right? I mean, we're at all-time highs here, which is really, really nice. Now that we're at all-time highs, there's really nothing to do. You just have to let your portfolio sit and just ride the wave. QQQ, same thing here. Again, extended. If you were to start any positions, I would literally start at the 10 SMA, or we'll pull back to that 10 SMA or even 20 SMA to have a really good chance on probabilities when the thing is for the things that you are buying. However, for now, yeah, just keep it simple. MDY, all-time highs, inside day. This was a bearish engulfing candle, so there could be some rotation here. If we decide to, so it really depends, right? And this is one of those things as a candle here in the 5-minute, which I'll go over, right? So majority of that candle, if we were to go into it, is below majority of that of this price action. You see that between this day and this day, majority of the price action is actually below this area right here. And so break above 677 is probably going to trigger going back up to retest this point right here. However, because of the fact that if it starts to break down, if it chooses to go break down like from this low right here, then that's going to signal everything that you need to know. So if you look at that daily candle, even though it is a bearish engulfing candle, majority of this price action is like right here. Literally right here. That's majority of the price action between these two candles. So just as a FYI, that's how I look at things. IWM, same thing. If you look at the 5-minute here, let's go back. Majority of the price action is between this area. So if it starts to pop above 285-ish and stay above 285, it's probably going to test the top. But if not, it's probably going to go down from there. So just as a FYI, again, a lot of these things haven't broken structure. So even though I say those, just understand that if we're not breaching the 21 SMA, I mean, there's really nothing else to do. You just relax and just chill. So any of this stuff can happen. We are in a bull market. We are at all-time highs. Do not get bearish at all until we break structure. That's the biggest thing I can tell you. All right, guys, that's all I have for you. Peace.